Good evening, everyone. Register your demand on Nagar and Gram Darshan portal for development. Nagar and Gram Darshan portal is a transparent initiative of the government. Residents of rural areas can now give their demands, complaints, and suggestions related to development works directly to the government through online medium. For this, Haryana government has started a portal called online gramdarshan.haryana.gov.in. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that Nagar Darshan and Gram Darshan portal is a comprehensive, participatory, transparent and accountable initiative of the government. Its objective is to establish a relationship between elected representatives, government and rural residents. This portal is a convenient and simple medium for urban and rural people to give their demands, complaints and suggestions. He said that on this portal, a blueprint of future development plans will be prepared on the basis of suggestions given by the people of the city and the villagers. He has instructed the officials of the all departments to set priority for the work related to their department. The priority of the government is to redress the grievances of the people. On the Nagar Darshan and Gram Darshan portal, any person will be able to register a complaint only in relation to the city and village of his permanent residence, which is recorded in the family identity card. The suggestions and demands given by the people will be directly visible to the Sarpanch, Panchayat committee member, district council member, MLA and MP. All the public representatives will the suggestions of their jurisdiction on the dashboard, which the concerned public representative will be able to take forward with the recommendation. He told that along with registering the suggestion complaint on the portal, an ID will be generated which will be given to the concerned applicant through SMS. Along with this, the applicant will keep getting update information about the action taken on the suggestion complaint from time to time through MSS. Booth level officers will now get double remuneration. BLO supervisors, ERO and EROs will also get revised honorarium, taking a historic step towards giving due respect to the officers and employees playing an important role of the Haryana Election Commission and ensuring proper reward for their hard work. The annual remuneration of booth level officers has been doubled. District Election Officer and Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma, while giving information about the incentives given by the Election Commission, said that the voter list is the foundation of democracy. Electoral registration officer, assistants, electoral registration officer, BLO supervisor and booth level officer play an important role in assuring its accuracy. These officers work tirelessly at the grassroots to keep the election process fair, transparent and accurate. He informed that the Commission has increased the annual remuneration of booth level officers, BLOs, from 6,000 to 12,000. Initiative amount given to BLO participating in the revision of voter list has been increased from 1,000 to 2,000. The remuneration of BLO supervisors has also been revised from 12,000 to 18,000 annually. Similarly, the first time the Commission has also fixed honorarium for electoral registration officers and assistants electoral registration officers, in which EROs will be given 30,000 and EROs will be given to 25,000. This amendment has been made for the first time after the year 2015. The Deputy Commissioner informed that this decision reflects the Election Commission's commitment to give adequate compensations to those election officials who work tirelessly at field level to maintain accurate voter list, assist voters, and strengthen electoral process. National Lok Adalat will be organized on 13 September. National Legal Services Authority and Haryana State Legal Services Authority will organize National Lok Adalat in District Charkhi Dadri on 13th September 2025. In the above court, you can settle by yourself and through your advocate for reconciliation agreement. Secretary and CGM of District Legal Services Authority Sanjeev Kajla said that National Lok Adalat will be organized in the District and Session Court Complex Charkhi Dadri on 13 September 2025 by National Legal Services Authority and Haryana State Legal Services Authority to settle the pending cases in the court through mutual cooperation and atheistic medium. He said that if any person has any case pending in the court, then he can get resolved through Lok Adalat. In Lok Adalat, the dispute is settled with the consent of the parties and an aesthetic environment with the mutual consent and compromise of both parties. This provides benefits like quick and easy justice, no appeal, file settlement, saving of time, bank loan related cases, Motor Vehicle Act and NI Act, criminal, revenue, matrimonial disputes will be settled in the Lok Adalat. The CGM said that Lok Adalat is proving to be very effective in cases that can be resolved by the mutual consent, and the cases heard in Lok Adalat are as important as decisions given in a normal court. Legal action will be taken against those involved in illegal mining. If illegal mining is found anywhere in the district for construction material, strict action will be taken against the guilty person on the instructions of the Chief Minister Shri Naib Singh Saini. Director General of Mining Department K.M. Pandurang himself is monitoring this matter. Mining officer Sachi said that the administration has taken charge to effectively curb illegal mining activities in the district, and the joint team of the mining department and other related departments are constantly inspecting. The main objective of the government is to make the mining process transparent, and illegal mining as per the orders of the Director General. The departmental team is performing its duties with full vigilance and responsibility, and is focusing on all necessary aspects. The district mining officer said that during the inspection, all the vehicles were found to have valid in Ravana wheels. No illegal mining activities has been found at any place during checking. If there is any violation of rules anywhere, they will be immediately take necessary action. The team of the mining department is continuously actively deployed on national highways, state highways, and other major roads. He also said that surveillance is being kept at those places in the district where there is a high possibility of illegal mining. Under this, surprise inspections are being conducted in various areas of the district, and strict action is being taken against the culprits, the Haryana government has a clear and strong decision that illegal mining will not be accepted in the state under any circumstances, and strict legal action will be taken against the persons involved in it. Last date to apply in RKB's CRM scheme year 2025-26 is forms of district Charkhi Dadri are informed that Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Haryana is giving maximum 50% subsidy on various agriculture equipment under the individual category under the Component Crop Residue Management 2025-26 of RKVY scheme. Deputy Agriculture Director of the Department Charkhi Dadri, Dr. Jitendra Alhawat said that under this scheme, the last date to apply on the departmental portal www.agricultureharyana.gov.in. Only one farm will be selected from one family identity card of the individual category. Farmer can apply for a maximum of 4 equipment, but the benefit of subsidy will given on one equipment. Under the individual category, you can apply for subsidy on super straw management system, reusable MB plow, zero till seed fertilizer, drill, super seeder, paddy stop chopper, mulcher, helpy seeder, straw baler machine, straw rake, cop, reaper, surface reader equipment can be obtained on the subsidy limit on the above equipment. All categories of documents, registration of farmer on Meri Fasal Mera Byura portal, identity card, ID proof, PAN card, valid RC of tractor in the name of the farmer registered in Haryana for tractor driven equipment, bank account number and SC category certificate for SC category form, self declaration form are included. The last date on apply on the departmental portal www.agriharyana.gov.in under this scheme. For more information, contact Assistant Agriculture Engineer Charkhi Dadri office on any working day. Secretary of the District Legal Services Authority Sanjeev Kajla has said that if any prisoner in the jail needs legal and then authority can help them. CGM Sanjeev Kajla released a prisoner while inspecting the Bhiwani district jail on the Wednesday. The Secretary of the District Legal Services Authority said that if any accused is staying in jail for a long time due to not getting legal aid a minor case, then he can take help of the District Legal Services Authority along with this. While visiting the jail, CGM Sanjeev Kajla inspected the male barrack, and while visiting the jail, CGM Sanjeev Kajla observed the living conditions of the prisoners, food, drinking water arrangements, library, cleanliness, medical service, etc. He asked about the period spent in jail. During the inspection, he told the prisoners in detail about the services of the District Legal Services Authority. He instructed that if any prisoner from Dadri district needs legal help, then DLSA should inform the office. Jail Deputy Superintendent Anil Sharma and other employees were present on this occasion. So friends, thank you very much for this voting PPD news. So then take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar. Adab. Sat Sri Akal. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat. Take care.